Hello, my name is Ben,
I'm Alex.
and we are the co-founders of Profti. We are here to show you how we imagine the future of property investing will look like. But before we jump into the demo, let me just say that we are searching for investment and wealth management firms to partner with us. And also we are raising our seed round. So if you're interested in becoming your partner and would like to listen to our pitch, then please come and talk to us afterwards. So let me tell you about Propti. A few years ago at university, I rented a 4-bedroom student house. This was the first moment when I realized that we are paying so much money on rent. So I had this great idea. I wanted to buy a property and tell my friends to move in with me. They would pay rent to me, and this would cover my living cost and the mortgage expenses.
Clever.
Simple, huh?
Clever.
Not so much. The most painful experience of my life has begun. I was calling up banks. I was spending hours on customer service. I didn't have a huge income so that the bank would accept it. And I also didn't have £60,000 for the deposit, nor a rich uncle that could finance it. And you might have guessed, 8 months later, I couldn't buy a property, I didn't get a mortgage, and I'm still not a landlord to this day. Whereas the world has moved on. Let me show you how. Alex, can you please buy me a Tesla share?
Of course. I'll just go on Revolut. Easy.
Buy me a bit of Bitcoin.
Yeah, we just need to go to Binance.
Gold?
Yeah, there is free trade for that.
A bit of property in London.
What?
You heard me.
There's no app for that.
Exactly. Property is the last asset class that hasn't been digitized yet. In a world where we can buy cars and book accommodation using our smartphone, we still cannot get our hands around investment properties. So Propti is here to solve this problem. Propti is the Robinhood of property investing. We divide rental properties into shares and list them on our own exchange for trading. So people can download our app and buy and sell these properties the same way they do with stocks on Robinhood. It's all commission-free. Yes, 0 commission. So let me show you how it works because you might not believe us. Alex, would you demo it for us?
Yeah, let's do it. I have the Propti app running on my iPhone. Let's tap, open it, and the first thing I see is my portfolio. At the top, we can see I have almost £400. Since I started, I've made £7. Woo, that's enough to pay for my Netflix subscription, right?
Great, mine not, go ahead.
Okay, and then I can see the shares I currently own. So right now I have 2 shares in 85 One Lock Court. Those are worth almost £12. And there's also 1 pending order. I tried to buy 1 share in 6 Banyan Court for 89 pennies, but unfortunately it didn't go through. I didn't pay enough. So I think we should cancel
it.
Yeah, let's cancel this one. Done. And now I'm just gonna try again. So at the bottom, I'm gonna tap on market. And these are all the properties that are available on Propti right now. Let me show you. So you can see a photo for each of them. There's also a price, how much the property price has changed in the last 24 hours, the name, but also important information such as what type of flat it is and whether it's currently tenanted or not. I like the one at the top. It looks good.
Yeah, and you can afford it. It's just £1.
Yeah, plus it's on discount. It went down 7%. So, I like buying things. I like bargains. Sure. Okay, let's just tap on this one. And then here you can see the current price and the chart with the price over time. First, I'm going to go to property at the top so that I can learn more about the property before I trade it. There's some, ooh.
This looks made too good for you.
These are some beautiful photos. There's also a description. There's also a description, and I can even see the neighborhood. So this one is in Dalston, London. Okay, I'm gonna go up, invest, and there's a bit more information here as well. So if we scroll down, there's an order book, holdings, but also valuation. So I can see the last week's valuation was £235,000. But there's also an estimated rental income of £825 per month. And I can also see some recent costs.
just buy it already.
Yeah, I say so. So I'm gonna tap buy, and then how many pounds? I'm gonna go with 10 pounds.
So rich.
Yeah, and then how much am I willing to pay per share? Well, last time I tried 89p and it wasn't enough. So this time I'm just gonna go with the latest price of 103. I'm gonna tap buy, and then in a few seconds, yeah, I'm a property investor now. I'm a landlord.
Nice. That was 4 taps in total, I think, and you became a property investor.
Yeah, let's go back to the portfolio and see it in here. Yeah, and that's there it is. I have 9 shares in 6 Panam Court now, and they're worth a bit more over 9 pounds. And yeah, that's it. Easy.
So if you would like to play around with the app, just come and talk to us afterwards. What's exciting is what we're going to do next. Next, we will release our public API, so brokers and investment firms can connect to us. This way, these firms can all allow their own customers to invest in our properties via their own app.
And there's other exciting stuff as well. People say that the beauty of property is leverage. So we're going to add margin trading in Propti. And then for people who prefer a more hands-off approach, we're going to add the robo-advisor to make it even easier. And a lot more. We have a lot more planned. All of this in one app, in Propti, the global property app.
Yeah, and we've got 3 things that we would like to ask you. Firstly, we are at Propti app on Twitter. All the questions you might have, please, we would love if you can tweet them and make a big noise about Propti. Secondly, if you would like to know more about our APIs and how the connection works, then please come and talk to us afterwards or drop me a line at ben@proptee.io. And third, if you're a venture capitalist, we are currently raising our seed round. So reach out to us if you're interested in getting involved. So we are Profti, the global property app. He's Alex. I'm Ben. Thank you for your time.
Oh, look, I just got some rental income on the shares I just bought. Awesome.
Cool.